Okay, this is Math 1430, practice test number 3, question number 22. We are asked to use a calculator to solve the sine of 0.33 and on the interval of where pi is no less than 0 or is equal to 0 but is equal to or less than 2 pi. You are going to need calculator for this. First, make sure your calculator is in radians and you put in the arcsine of 0.33. This will give us, okay, so theta is sine arcsine 0.33. And then theta 1, after plugging in, is 0.336. We are keeping it at 3 decimal places for right now. Next, to find the next interval, we have to find theta 2. And the way we find that is very simple. What you do is you take pi minus theta 1. So we plug in pi minus 0.336 into our calculators. 0.0366 or 336. This will give us the answer of theta 2 is equal to 2.806, and that would give us the other interval, 2.806, 0.336, and there is your answer.